One of the best feelings in the world is when someone compliments you on that gorgeous blouse or dress you're wearing and you can say, "Oh, this? I made it myself." Hi, I'm Tilly. I'm a best-selling sewing author and founder of the award-winning sewing pattern company Tilly and the Buttons, and I would love you to join me for my online workshop, Learn to Sew a Button Front Dress or Blouse. This class is for you if you've sewn some simple projects before and are ready to get stuck into learning a wealth of garment sewing techniques with help from an experienced and friendly sewing teacher. I'm going to guide you step by step through making a gorgeous, wearable and ultra versatile blouse or dress with multiple variations using our Nell sewing pattern. This is the perfect pattern to teach you a wealth of essential garment sewing skills that you can go on to use again and again on other sewing projects, including selecting suitable materials, cutting and marking your fabric accurately, sewing darts, setting in sleeves, making buttonholes, gathering a skirt, finishing a neckline with a facing, stay stitching, top stitching, understitching and stitching in the ditch, as well as a refresher of fundamental sewing techniques including stitch settings for different scenarios and finishing seams using a regular sewing machine. I'm also going to show you how to add optional details to your garment including patch pockets, faux ties and show-stopping lined puffball sleeves. Along the way, I'll be sharing my tried and tested tips and techniques for a smooth sewing experience. By the end of this workshop, you will have a beautiful dress or blouse that you can be proud to say you made yourself, as well as new skills and creative confidence that you can use again and again in your future sewing life. You can take this workshop from home whenever it suits you. You can pause, rewind and re-watch the lessons as many times as you like. There are no deadlines, so you can revisit the workshop anytime you need a refresher. So sign up today and let's get sewing!